Goodbye, Gravely. I'll miss you. Hello, everybody, and thank you for joining me for some more mechanical misadventures. You may remember a few videos back, we got and restored this beautiful $20 C10 to give to my friend from Alaska, Diesel Dave. And here we have it. The bugger's coming. So, for those of you that don't remember, we found this bugger on the curb. It was a $20 C10, and all it needed was just a little TLC. It didn't actually cost any parts, and it fired right up. And this C10 has been upgraded with C10A components to make it a better snowblower. And we got this Dog Eater Deluxe on the front. This thing's gonna be a lot of fun. Diesel Dave is coming by today with his truck. Maybe a little bit later, because his hard body broke down. But he's coming nonetheless, and he's expecting us to give this C10 on over to him. But I've got a surprise for him, because he is not gonna get the C10. He's going to get this. And what is this? Well, this is another Gravely. This is a Model Li with gear reduction wheels to make it extra slow, with a 32-inch snow cannon on the front. 32, 34. One of the two. With a big old snow cannon on the front, with drift cutters nonetheless. This is about the most desirable snowblower that you can have for these walk-behind Gravely tractors. And on top of all this, this bad boy also has a diesel repower. This has got a 10-horse diesel engine on the back that I fished out of an Aurora generator and adapted to fit on this tractor with only a little bit of leaking. So you might be wondering, why are you doing all this? You've been working on this for so long. Why would you just give it to Diesel Dave? Well, one, how could I give Diesel Dave my gas Gravely? It's just wrong. Second, this is a much better dedicated snowblower tractor. Up in Anchorage, where Diesel Dave lives, this is going to be a snowblower and snowblower only. And this Li, the slower Gravely, with the gear reduction wheels, half a slow on top of that, but double the torque. It's really not very well suited for mowing lawns, stuff like that. This is for snow blowing, especially with this mean old snow cannon. It's gonna love it. This thing, it's big and it's heavy. It's hardly worth taking out down here in Buffalo for the gentle snow we've so far gotten. But up in Alaska, where 2 feet happens on the regular, this makes a lot more sense. But honestly, plain and simply, I built this tractor to declare war against winter. And what better way to do that than to send it straight to the front lines in the hands of God's strongest warrior. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm going to give my beloved Gravely off to Diesel Dave. He'll take it to Alaska, and this thing will get some hefty use. And I hope he has a lot of fun doing it, because so far the Gravely's have been tons of fun down here. Well, there we go. I don't have a big ass bow to put on it, as funny as that would be. So now all we gotta do is wait. Oh, well, here he is. It's Diesel Dave. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. I like the brake rotor. Rabbit.
Oh yeah, what car guy doesn't have just a ton of spare brake rotors?
Did you see the pile on the Rabbit down at the farm? It's like there's probably almost 100 brake rotors there. All of the things. I want to make sure that one goes. All the backends. Look at this. Oh, and it's got the Kubota on it.
That's right, it's the diesel one.
Oh, geez.
Surprise.
I am very surprised. Are you just gonna use...
He's surprised just like an engineer. Wow, what a surprise. Yeah, you gotta pull the O-face, Diesel Dave. I'm posting this on YouTube. What? Yeah, but there you go. It leaks, but so does the other one.
Yeah.
But
What, does it just leak oil?
It leaks oil. Honestly, it leaks oil when it's done. It takes tiny little teeny tiny drips. Yeah, I reckon that. What?
Your balance is. Actually, this one's not terrible.
Here, why don't you? Careful from the handles. it is possible to bend them if you like lift up on the front, just because it's so heavy between the diesel motor
I see that.
and the big one.
These rollers are there.
Yeah, so it's rolling right now on pavement on the other side. Yeah, try the chute.
This one, the chute is this cool. Oh, it's just.
Yeah, unfortunately that bracket has a nasty tendency to go missing.
Yeah, you need an eye bolt.
That's all it would take.
Eye bolt.
He's
probably
already making plans.
What is this run?
That's the PTO.
Ooh,
PTO dog clutch.
Very important. It is such a cool design. Have it's got this remote or the electric start. You got a battery in it?
No battery.
Okay,
Diesel Dave, you think I'm made of money? You buy your own battery.
Okay. I had to say, do you have a battery like system?
I do have a battery system. The thing is this Gravely doesn't actually have like a true neutral. So it like the clutch drags like a teeny bit. Probably because I have it in there freaking crooked, honestly. But doesn't I couldn't get it with my starter. I think the starter might just be a little bit dead. But yeah, it runs it used to have the old generator throttle plate. Now it has a I haven't had a chance to actually tune it because I haven't loaded it up, but it will drive around no problem. It's extremely slow. Do you want to give her a rip?
Which hill?
So it's on kill right now. Kill is this at the top.
Oh, your fuel shut off?
You put it in the start position.
Start position is down?
Yeah, down. Not all the way down, otherwise it just dogs immediately. It has a compression release right there.
Oh, and you gotta run the compression release?
Yep, and then compression release, then... Did I turn it off? Yeah, I might have accidentally turned it off.
You have a, actually, you want to be really good? Take one of those sticky heaters. Pop.
Yeah, I highly recommend, Mr.
Actually, no, I would stick it under.
Yeah, I highly recommend Alaska Man that you sticky heater the crap out of this thing.
Yeah, I'd sticky heater the tank.
It is open.
Sticky heater the bottom too, and then just run the wires together.
Yeah. Wow. Compression release, my man. Well, unfortunately, we don't have a lot of snow. Just put it in a big pile to play. Rev it up. Yep, you're in. Thank you. Rev it up. One heck. What do you think, Diesel Dave?
What an absolute fucking menace.
Yeah, that is a menace. I want you to go feel how embedded that is in my wall.
I was trying not to spray on your wall because then you get a rock or a chunk of ice. Oh my god.
Yeah, Diesel Dave is an absolute menace. Also, the low is also low PTO range. That was low flying distance as well.
Oh, so if you want high, you gotta have it up on high?
Yep, but as you can see, low is very low, and you can see also why it made such an awful lawnmower.
Yeah.
Oh, go faster! We put some idiot instructions for Diesel Dave on the side here.
Except the one bled because it's wet.
Yeah, it bled, but we got some lake effect snow coming in, so maybe by tomorrow we'll have more to play with. You can see how desperate we were. I unshoveled the driveway. But what are your thoughts, Diesel Dave? Lay it on me.
lay it on you. Friggin' Honda's got nothing on me.
Oh yeah, Diesel Dave is in a dick measuring contest with one of the Honda or nothing snowblowers, and I think this fat piece of American pig iron with this doo-doo Yanmar 186F clone stapled to the back of it is going to do the trick. Well, Diesel Dave, Merry Christmas. I hope you enjoy it. Now we have to get it in the back of a pickup truck when someone forgot ramps. That might be worth filming. What by your
audiences only.
What by your estimation does this thing weigh?
Oh, yeah, a good couple 100 pounds.
I'm gonna put it at 4. I'm guessing it's 400 pounds. Okay, I have ramps, short ramps. We're gonna go slow. To the surprise of nobody. All right, let's try this again. We're back. All right, go to the bucket. Go to the bucket and shove it up. All right, low. No grip. Here, give it a little. Oh, kill it. Whoa.
Oh, nuts fucker.
God, you know, when you see it in the back of a pickup, it really is big. All right, we need 14s and that 13 to get this stinker off. But we got it. Goodbye, Gravely. I'll miss you. Oh, just me. Just Mary says what found. Yeah. There you go. Congratulations, sir.
Mazel tov, it's a boy.